Hello, this is Sean Stewart with one quick financial tip. This is for those who are struggling right now financially. Did you know if you own a home and you reach out to your mortgage company and you don't have the money to pay, that you can request what's called a forbearance? In doing so, sometimes you have to fill out paperwork, sometimes you don't. In doing so, most lenders will grant you no payment for a period of time or a partial payment for a period of time. I work with clients all the time that have received 6 months, for example, of no payments. And as long as they went into the forbearance with as current on their mortgage payment, they had no late pays that was held against them. Maybe you're renting and you can't make your rent payment. Talk to your landlord. Or you can't make your car payment or your credit card payments. Talk to your landlord. A lot of times there's solutions that will not negatively impact your credit scores. And then once things have turned around, then you go back to making your payments. This is one quick financial tip. All the best. Thank you.